Delta 51, contact Salt Lake approach 128.6. Good night.
128.6, Delta 51.
Walker 3361, thanks for the help. Turn left direct Spain.
Left direct Spain, Walker 3361, no problem.
Walker 3361, cross Spain, at a maintain, flight level 190 and 280 knots. Expect runway 16 right.
Expect 16 right, Spain, at and maintain, flight level 190, 280 knots, Walker 3361.
November 1 Delta Charlie, say Mach number.
Mach 7.0, sorry, Mach 0.7, 1 Delta Charlie correction.
For 1 Delta Charlie, roger, maintain Mach 0.75 or greater for spacing.
75 or greater for spacing, 1 Delta Charlie.
Walker 3361, reduce to Mach 0.76, then you can transition to 280 knots.
76, transition to 280, Walker 3361.
For 1 Delta Charlie, cross Spain at a maintain, flight level 190 and 280 knots. Expect runway 16 right.
190, I believe you said 260 knots, and can we get 17 right, 1 Delta Charlie?
For 1 Delta Charlie, you can make that request with approach, and just for my confirmation, Spain at and maintain, flight level 190 and 280 knots, 280.
Alright, 190 and 280 knots, 1 Delta Charlie.
Got 5249, I should have correct. Wait. Walker 3361, sorry to do this to you. If you would, reduce now to 250 knots. Just trying to get some space between the guy in front of you.
Reduce to 250 knots, Walker 3361, no problem.
Appreciate it. Got 5249, maintain 300 knots or greater, 300.
300 is going 5249, sorry we're been away.
No worries.
Salt Lake City Center, but the far request our descent clearance, we are 15 miles from top of descent.
Delta 1965, contact Salt Lake approach 128.6, good night.
128.6,
Southwest 8706, cross Jammin at and maintain 17,000 and 280 knots. Expect runway 16 right.
Cross Jammin at 17,000 and 280. We'll expect 16 right, Southwest 8706.
Southwest 2526, cross Spain at and maintain flight level 190 and 280 knots. Expect runway 16 right.
Cross Spain and maintain 190, 280 knots, expect 16 right, Southwest 2526.
Delta 4, cross Spain at and maintain flight level 190 and 280 knots. Expect runway 16 right.
Cross Spain at 280 and 190, expect 16 right, Delta 4.
Southwest 8706. If I didn't already give this to you, the Salt Lake altimeter 29904.
Altimeter is 29904, Southwest 8706. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Oscar West 5249, do you still want 280 at Spain?
Got 5249. For now, maintain 300 knots, and I'll let the next controller know that you'll be a little quick.
All good.
Thanks.
Port 8 is information for PAR 0136 Zulu Special. Wind 240 at 8 gusts 17. Visibility 10. Light rain. Ceiling 2,800 broken, 4,800 overcast. Temperature 4. Dew point -1. Altimeter 29904. Instrument approaches in use. Landing ILS runway 16 right, and ILS runway 17.
Walker 3361, I appreciate the help.
16 right,
Maintain
1S.
280 knots now, 280.
280 knots, Walker 3361.
Got 5249, contact Salt Lake approach 128.6, check in with the speed, have a good night.
1286 will do, Sky 5249, good night.
Walker 3361, I appreciate all the help tonight. Contact approach 128.6. Good night.
286, no problem. Walker 3361, see ya.
From the flight deck, we started our initial descent. We expect to be on the ground in about 20 minutes or so. Thanks for flying Southwest Airlines.
Southwest 8706, contact Salt Lake approach 128.6. Good night.
128.6, see ya, Southwest 8706.
November 1 Delta Charlie, contact Salt Lake approach 128.6. Good night.
28.6, sir. Call the trouble. Have a good night. 1 Delta Charlie.
That worked out great. Have a good one. Southwest 2526, contact Salt Lake approach 128.6. Good night.
Salt Lake approach 128.6, Southwest 2526, seal.
Airbus 319 out of 13,200.
Walker 3361, traffic in sight.
Out of 1965, maintain 280 knots if you're not already there.
Maintain 280 knots.
Salt Lake approach today, Southwest 2526, crossing 225, descending 190, information cabin.
Southwest 2526, Salt Lake City approach, roger. Descend by the pit 1 arrival, expect Dallas, runway 16 right approach. Salt Lake 29905.
Send the pit 1, expect the last 16 right to 995, Southwest 2526.
Number 100 Bravo Sierra, thanks for the climb, good work.
Number 0 Bravo Sierra.
Yeah, thanks for the climb. Contact the center 127.82.
2782, 0 Bravo Sierra.
Royal 1111, contact Salt Lake City Center 127.82.
Contact center 18.72.
Delta 51, heavy, contact Salt Lake City approach 135.5.
135.5, Delta 51 heavy.
Delta 1965, or correction, Skywest 5249, stay speed.
Still 300 knots, Skywest 5249.
Skywest 5249, reduce speed to 250 knots.
250, Skywest 5249.
Walker 3361, reduce speed to 210.
Reduce to 210, Walker 3361.
Southwest 8706, stay speed.
280 knots, Southwest 8706.
Thank you.
Approach Zephyr 2785.
Affirmative 127.82.
82, got it.
American 738, are you on frequency? American 738?
Yes.
American 738, Salt Lake City departure radar contact. Proceed direct Hopdo, climb maintain for level 230, resume normal speed.
Climb maintain 230, I'm making normal speed, American 738.
Delta 1965, keep your speed at 280 knots. I'm going to slow you down here at the last second before I hand you off.
Roger. Approach Delta 4 heavy. Descending through flight level 20 for 190.
Delta 4 heavy, Salt Lake City approach, roger. Descend by the pit 1 arrival, expect Dallas, runway 16 right approach, altimeter 29905.
295,
Descend via the pit 1 and we have Quebec.
Thank you. Walker 3361, descend and maintain 13,000.
Send a 13,000, Walker 3361.
American 738, I need you to start your climb now, please. Delta 1965, are you at 280?
280 knots and 114,000.
And Scouts 5249, you're at 250?
Excellent.
Delta 1965, reduce speed to 230 knots.
Down to 230 knots.
Scouts 5249, reduce speed to 210 knots.
210, confirm you still at 14,000, Skywest 5249.
Scouts 5249, negative, descend and maintain 11,000.
Okay, we told 14,000, we'll descend at 11,000 now, Skywest 5249.
That wasn't on you, that was on me, sorry about that.
Sorry.
Delta 1965, contact Salt Lake City approach 135.5.
135.5, oh.
Yeah. Scouts 5249, contact Salt Lake City approach 135.5.
1355, Skywest 5249.
Walker 3361, descend and maintain 11,000.
Center 1000, Walker 3361.
Southwest 8706, verify altimeter is set 29905, maintain 1000.
Center 295, maintain 1000, Southwest 8706.
Salt Lake Approach, good evening. Citation 32405 in the current at Corvallis
What was the call sign again at Provo?
November 32405.
November 32405, Salt Lake City approach on request, standby. Southwest 8706, reduce speed to 210.
210, Southwest 8706.
Southwest 8706, contact Salt Lake City approach 135.5.
135.5, yep, Southwest 8706.
American 738, contact Salt Lake Center on 127.82.
American 738, contact center on 127.82. American 738.
Walker 3361, contact Salt Lake City approach 135.5.
Approach 1355, Walker 3361.
November 32405, clearance.
Let's hear 32405.
Or 32405, clear to the Jackson, correction, clear to Fairfield Vortac, short range clearance by the Provo for departure, maintain 9,000. Departure frequency 128.6, squawk 5337, and expect further clearance at Fairfield.
Roger that, November 32405 is good to repair Fairfield. DOR, Navy Provo 4, departure from maintain 9,000, departure from 285.
November 32405, read back correct. November 751 Delta Charlie, reduce speed to 210.
2051 Delta Charlie.
Thank you.
November 751 Delta Charlie, contact Salt Lake City approach 135.5. Let them know that you're set up or that you were assigned the ILS runway 17.
We'll let them know that we're set up for the, or we were assigned the ILS 17, and I believe you said 125.5,
51 Delta Charlie.
Southwest 2526, reduce you to 210.
This 210, Southwest 2526.
Southwest 2526, contact Salt Lake City approach 135.5.
Subject voice setting 135.5, Southwest 2526.
Yeah.
Final contact tower 132.65.
180 or greater, and establish and I'm shooting approach this time. Switching to the tower.
Southwest 8706, turn right heading 140.
Right 140, Southwest 8706.
Subject approach today, Southwest 2526.
Southwest 2526, Salt Lake approach descend to maintain 8000.
178000, Southwest 2526.
November 8, Lima Papa, fly heading 350. November 1 Delta Charlie, maintain 170 knots, and I'll get you in when I can.
170, I'm not sure why that's not slowing down. 1 Delta Charlie.
Sky West 5249, maintain 180 knots or greater till 5 mile final contact tower 132.65.
182 great till 5 and tower 12865. Sky West 5249.
November 1 Delta Charlie, fly heading 345.
345, 1 Delta Charlie.
Southwest 8706, you're 5 miles from, forgot the fixed name, it's going to be Ufumi, maintaining 8000 till status cleared ILS 16 right approach.
8000 to establish and get to the ILS 16 right approach, Southwest 8706.
Walker 3361, fly heading 070.
Fighting 070, Walker 3361.
November 8 Lima Papa, expedite climb maintain flight level 230. November 1 Delta Charlie, you're going to have your traffic at your 11 moving 12 o'clock, a Walker Boeing 777 at 8,000. They're going to be heading westbound, or eastbound.
Yeah, we got them inside 1 Delta Charlie.
November 1 Delta Charlie, roger, they're no factor, they're going to be remain below you. I'll get to your turn in here very shortly. Walker 3361, fly heading 130, intercept 16 right localizer.
Finding 130, intercept 16 right local, Walker 3361.
Southwest 2526 at 8,000, maintain 180 knots.
8000, maintain 180 knots, Southwest 2526.
November 8 Lima Papa, clear direct to rugged.
Approach Delta 4 Heavy, descending via the 6-1, we have Quebec.
November 1 Delta Charlie, fly heading 080. November 1 Delta Charlie, fly heading 090.
090, 1 Delta Charlie.
Delta 4 Heavy, Salt Lake approach, descend and maintain 8000.
8000, Delta 4 Heavy.
Walker 3364, you're 7 miles from Ufumi, maintain 8000 till established, cleared ILS 16 right approach.
Maintain 8 till established, cleared ILS 16 right approach, Walker 3361.
Southwest 8706, 180 till 5 mile final, contact tower on 132.65.
At 5 mile, contact tower 132.65, Southwest 8706.
Delta 4 Heavy at 8000, maintain 180 knots.
At 8000, maintain 180 knots, Delta 4 Heavy.
Southwest 2526, fly heading 080.
Heading 080, Southwest 9526.
November 8 Lima Papa, contact center on 132.4. November 1 Delta Charlie, call it 8 miles from Ivaki, turn right heading 140, maintain 9000 till established, cleared ILS 17 approach.
For 140, maintain 9000 until established, cleared ILS from 17, 1 Delta Charlie. 38 Lima Papa, requesting frequency change.
November 3 Lima Papa, contact center on 132.4.
132.4, 38 Lima Papa.
Southwest 2526, fly heading 140, intercept 16 right localizer.
140, intercept 16 right localizer, Southwest 9526.
Walker 3361, contact tower 132.65, maintain 180 knots till 5 mile final.
180 till 5, tower 132.65, Walker 3361.
Southwest 2526, 3 miles from Femi, maintain 8000 till established, cleared ILS 16 right approach.
Maintain 8000 till established, cleared ILS 16 right, Southwest 9526.
November 1 Delta Charlie, maintain 180 knots or greater till a 5 mile final.
180 or greater till 5 mile final, 1 Delta Charlie.
Delta 4 fly heading 0.
70, Delta 4 Heavy.
November 1 Delta Charlie at Price, contact tower on 119.05.
1905 at Price, have a good night, 1 Delta Charlie.
Delta 4, you're 4 miles from Ofemi, turn right heading 140, maintain 8000 till established, cleared ILS runway 16 right approach.
That 140 on the right turn?
Paper.
140 on the right turn, maintain 8000 till established on the ILS 16 right.
Southwest 2526, maintain 180 knots till 5 mile final contact tower on 132.65.
1885 and tower 122.65, Southwest 2526, see you.
Southwest 8706, welcome to Salt Lake, turn left when able.
Left when able, Southwest 8706.
Salt Lake Tower, good day, Southwest 2526, 16 right.
Southwest 2526, Salt Lake Tower, good evening, winds 3507 at 7, traffic's on a 2.5 mile final for runway 16 right. Runway 16 right, number 2, clear to land.
Number 2, 16 right, clear land, Southwest 2526.
Southwest 8706, contact ground 123.77.
123.77, Southwest 8706, yeah.
Tower Delta 4 Heavy, ILS 16 right.
Walker 3361, heavy. Welcome, Salt Lake, turn left when able, contact ground 123.77.
Left when able and ground 12377, Walker 3361.
Delta 4, welcome to, Delta 4, correction, Salt Lake Tower. Wind 3507 at 7, traffic's on a 3 mile final for runway 16 right. Runway 16 right, number 2, clear to land.
16 right, clear to land, number 2, Delta 4 Heavy.
Out of 1774, just got a quick question when you got there.
50.
Last aircraft calling
30.
taken.
10.
Reverse.
Last aircraft calling say again.
That's nothing, you can disregard.
Delta 4, Salt Lake Tower.
Go for Delta 4.
Delta 4, did I give you landing clearance?
Hey, firm, we were showing us number 2.
Roger, thanks. Delta 1774 Heavy, Salt Lake Tower.
1774 with you, or heavy
Reverse.
with you on your short.
Idle.
I'll pick red Alpha 11.
On behalf of
Delta 1774 Salt Lake Tower, good evening. Continue holding short for landing traffic, runway 16 right.
tray table in their full upright and locked position.
You okay? How's your night?
Completely under the seat in front of you.
Night, Delta
When the captain turns
7234.
off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular function of your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated and leave your carry-on stowed. Please be advised the aircraft doors will be open during ground servicing. For your safety, please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you are connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check the monitors in the terminal for your flight gate number. We certainly have enjoyed sharing part of our day with you.
Southwest 2526, contact ground 123.77.
Ground 123.77 sounds like a Salt Lake ground, good day, Southwest 2526 on Alpha, we have the Bravo 17 today.
Southwest 2526, welcome to Salt Lake, taxi to the gate via Alpha.
To the gate via Alpha, Southwest 2526.
Ground Delta 4 going to gate Alpha 19.
Delta 4, Salt Lake City ground, taxi to the Alpha gates via Alpha.
Alpha gates via Alpha, Delta 4 heavy.
Bruno Charlie.